excuse me, I'm just trying to make sure I get a pair that fits right.
None of them fit right, believe me.
I think they do. I know I've gotten the right size before, so it's in here somewhere.
There's only so many pairs in there, lady. The machine's gonna run out of stock, okay?
Larry, we have Mrs. Green here.
Can you hold this? Okay. Mrs. Green had a baby 2 days ago. Subjectively, she's doing pretty good. Told me this morning she passed gas.
Larry, how was her bleeding this morning?
Oh, her bleeding. It's okay.
And her birth control plan going home?
Oh, well, I was going to get to that if you'd stop interrupting me, but really, if you want my assessment on Miss Green, she probably shouldn't have had a baby in the first place, and her plan going forward, yeah, hysterectomy if you ask me, and then as far as her plan today, she should go home. I think we should get her out the door.
Did you check her vitals this morning?
Oh, no.
Temp 37.9.
Yeah. And?
So we need to keep an eye on her for one more night.
Absolutely, Dr. Heichman. I agree she should stay another day.
What was that? What, you think she should stay?
Yeah, I think she should stay.
What happened this morning? We discussed. You said she should go home.
Yeah, you know, Larry, I didn't really have time this morning to think about it since you pulled that stop and chat on me.
Stop and chat?
Yeah.
No, let me explain something to you. Don't insult me. That was a merge and chat. Believe me. I saw you on pre-rounds, and I merged with you. There was no stop. In medical school, I perfected the merge and chat.
Okay, Larry. Well, look,
Okay.
Regardless, she needs to stay another day, okay?
I see what you did there.
What?
You flip-flopped.
Look, man, I did not flip-flop.
Yeah, classic flip-flop.
I did not flip-flop. Okay?
You're a flip-flopper.
I am not a flip-flopper.
You flipped, and then you flopped.
Well,
Hey, let me ask you something. Have you seen the baby in there?
yeah, I saw it. Absolutely hideous.
All right, so let's see him. Oh, such a gorgeous baby.
It's very beautiful.
And you, Larry?
Huh?
Aren't you gonna say anything about my baby?
Good baby.
What the fuck is wrong with you, Larry David? This kid comes in at the crack of dawn, wakes my baby up just to ask if I farted. And what's up with his scrubs? I mean, he's wearing capris. What, are you planning to wade in my placenta juice?
Huh?
I'm so sorry, Mrs. Green. This won't happen again. So, what the hell happened in there, Larry?
What, do I have to tell every mother that her baby is beautiful? Not every baby is beautiful. In fact, most of them aren't. And that baby is hideous.
Every baby is beautiful, Larry.
What, are you kidding me? They're all bald. And bald is not pretty, believe me. And you can't just call babies beautiful and then bald men everywhere just get the shaft. And the ones who do have hair, they look even worse.
Every baby is beautiful, Larry.
No way.
Right, Sean?
Absolutely, Dr. Heichman. You know, every baby is just so beautiful.
Well, I don't think you truly believe that.
I do. I do, deep down inside. Why else would I do this?
Okay.
And next time, Larry, don't ask the patients if they farted. You ask them if they passed gas. And you didn't even need to ask her that. She didn't have a C-section.
Okay. You want to know what really happened in there?
Yes.
Okay. I was in there this morning. I was talking to her, and I asked her, "Have you passed any gas?" And she yells out, "What?" And she wakes the baby up, and the husband said, He wants to know if you farted.
Okay, well, next time just try to act like a normal person with the patients. And what is going on with your scrubs? They don't fit right.
Well, these are the only ones that fit. They don't make them for my body type.
I can see your leg hair. It's grotesque. It's completely inappropriate.
Well, of course it's inappropriate. They're scrubs. You can see everyone's private parts. I mean, who decided we're going to wear pajamas to work anyway?
It's more sanitary. It keeps us from getting our clothes dirty.
Well, anytime something happens, you go and put on a gown and booties anyway. I mean, whose idea was it? Like, trying to stop the spread of germs? Oh, I have an idea. Let's all wear each other's clothes. And then, oh, if you're going to wear a white coat over your pajamas, you better button 3 buttons. Heaven forbid, you only have 2 buttons buttoned.
I don't give a shit, Larry. Go put on larger scrubs.
Is today a good day for feedback?
Just get out.
Okay. Oh, damn. These Out of stock. No! More buttons?